All right, hello and welcome. Welcome back to the show. It's one channel. We got Flex in the building, and we also got Stun on the line.
Sheesh.
Sheesh indeed. And today we're going to talk about, is FL Studio 20 worth buying? What do you think so far?
FL Studio 20. So where do we begin with this one?
Man, I don't know.
I've been using FL Studio probably for about 5-6 years now.
Mm-hmm.
And it jumped from, the last one I had was FL12, and then for some reason it just jumped to 20 when I went on that hiatus.
Right, what happened to that? were we in like a coma or something, or what? Sounds like we were in a coma.
Comatose. They call me. Yeah. I don't know what happened between 12 and 20, but 20 is pretty dope.
Yeah, I like 22.
Anyway.
I'm not gonna lie. The only thing I dislike about 20 is this thing right here. I kind of wish it was like bigger. You remember how like in 12, this thing right here is a lot bigger? I actually find this thing really useful for like figuring out like octaves and like not like overlapping sounds. I actually find it pretty useful for that.
Yeah. And one thing I like about this one, and I don't know, maybe I missed it in FL12, but just even in the channel rack, this little note thing, where you can just change all the velocities.
I wonder if they got this from the like mobile version. Like that was like something that they transferred over. They saw like the success of that.
You know, I never actually got the mobile version. I
Yeah,
think I want to download it right now.
Me either. In fact, there's a lot of topics on the mobile version. I just don't know how we could film that.
Yeah, but FL20 is solid, because I remember back in the day, I didn't have an official version of FL like everybody else.
Mm-hmm.
So I got the version. So when you buy FL Studio, it gives you every single upgrade for the server spec. So if you get FL8, you would have had 20 by now. So it's a no-brainer.
Could we break down the major differences that we've discovered so far? Because right now it seems like everything is the same, like plugin wise. Like it's pretty much the same stock plugins and whatnot. We saw that that mini thing. That was a pretty significant difference.
They make it actually say pattern and song.
Right. It says pattern and song now, which is an interesting move considering how long it's been not saying that.
Yeah. And then they added some like knobs up here, like right under the song.
Where?
So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, master volume.
What is?
It just looks a little bit different.
What is this one? Oh, the master pitch.
Oh yeah, this is song position.
Yeah, and now also to do like a full master automation clip, you can't just right click like the volume anymore. You gotta click. And this is actually for the track length, which I think is interesting. I don't remember this really being here in the last one.
Oh yeah, that one was there.
So if you want to do an automation clip, you actually have to click this thing, like a full master automation clip. I don't know if you ever like use that, but like if you fade out.
Yeah. So I'm looking at the new features right now. I'm looking at the list, and we could pull that up too, but it has Mac support. So FL Studio is now available for Mac, and I use Windows, so that doesn't really affect me.
Right. I didn't know that. So they're trying to take over the whole game.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Time signatures, you can set those. It's looking like.
I remember what was annoying when I first pulled it up was this right here. When I first pulled it up, this little thing right here, and that's just Alt P. Now I can't remember that being in 12, but like that when I first pulled it up, this was here, and I was like, what the heck is this?
Yeah, and then they updated a couple of the add-ins too. Like you'd have to pull up the list. Do you want to pull that up?
Oh, the list of add-ins?
Yeah. Well, all the new features. So let's just pull that up. Let's just go walk through it.
Like on Google?
Yeah, let me just drop the link in here. Hold
on. Cold.
Yeah, so 20th anniversary FL Studio. Yeah, 12 to 20. So here are all the noticeable features. So you can see all the whole list right there.
Okay, how much did we already cover? Let's see. Mac support, we talked about that. Time signatures. Shift Alt T.
Oh yeah, you can just go ahead and scroll.
Interesting. Playlist menu. Consolidate playlist selection. Bounces selected clips to audio. Bounces. Okay. Plug-in delay compensation. Automatic PC network. Audio recording. All right. Well, at least they're like doing stuff. They didn't just like rebrand it. My thing is, I don't know why they went from 12 to 20. Was 13 just like an unlucky number? They didn't want to go that way, or what?
Yeah, everybody knows that. You gotta go. You skip like all the numbers. Go to 20.
Icon.
20th anniversary. So I guess the next one will be 21. Or 13.
The metronome is now latency compensated. Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
Because I know my other computer was slow as hell.
This computer's a beast. Like,
yeah,
this computer was designed
audio recording, new audio input, delay control on input to fix latency issues with individual audio inputs. I know I struggle with this, so I haven't really tested that too much. We might have to do another video testing that, especially with my little board.
You know, I don't know if this was a thing, but I did feel like it was actually recording better from the MIDI. Now, I don't know if that's something that they added, but I was doing hi-hats on like in 1/4 step, like 1/4 beat, and it was actually like recording it like pretty well. I was actually kind of surprised. Now, I don't know if I was just hitting it on point for some odd reason, but like,
No, it always gets janky, dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, no, I swear I recorded. You can check one of the other videos. I swear I recorded an entire like. Oh man, I wish I could pull it up, but I swear I recorded like an entire hi-hat series without like.
No, because usually I
without it like
do the control. What's that shortcut where you know how it's always a little bit off time? You do Control A, and then there's the control shortcut that makes it line up on the beat. I know I taught you how to do that like 2 years ago.
I gotta see what you're talking about. In
the playlist, in the piano roll.
You wanna do that right now?
I don't remember what it is. Okay. But let's not do that right now.
Yeah, let's not do that right now. I'm trying to figure out where I recorded that hi-hat. What's up, guys? To effectiveness. So you see what we did there? It was pretty legendary, man. I think this was it right here. Like, I was actually surprised at how well it recorded the hi-hat part. Like, look at that. Like, you can hear
me. Oh, yeah, that's money.
Like, dude! Okay. Hold on. It, like, actually, like, I think that was one of the few times, like, woo! I was even surprised. I was like, I can't believe it recorded it that well. Yeah. Alright, you gonna wrap this video up? Actually kind of recorded it right. This is pretty good so far. That's rare on hi-hats.
Yeah, let's just go through a couple of other changes, too.
Alright. Yeah. You can see how like it was recorded fantastically. Alright. What else we got here? Fruity compressor, added option.
All the added updates.
Oh, so yeah, we could definitely cover all of these in different vids.
Bug fixes.
Yeah.
All of them are particular to each one.
So the question is it worth buying? Yeah, right. Well, over 12, it's better. I mean, well, is it worth buying if you already have 12?
Well, you're not buying it again. It's an update. Then you get lifetime updates.
Okay, well, there's your answer. So, would you buy 20 or 12? 20, right?
Bro, you get lifetime updates, so it doesn't matter.
You know what? This video. What else we got? Slice X. There's a lot of cool stuff going on here. Fruity Reverb is now a 64-bit FL plugin. All right, Fruity got that upgrade. Edison got that upgrade. Reverb 2 got that upgrade.
Yeah.
And speed options. What the heck? I don't believe that. What the hell is that?
Yeah, speed.
Where do you see that at? Is it this?
Bro, it's a speed right there. Right on the bottom.
That's cool. I don't know why I made it fade like that. That was just stupid. Alright, anything in Gross Beats is new? Probably not, right?
Yeah, I didn't see that on there.
Since everybody uses Gross Beats. Dude, I swear, like 95% of like every making a beat video is like, yo, I just got the Gross Beats, and then I put it in halftime, and it was lit.
Like, I remember the first time I figured out Gross Beats.
Bro, I swear, if I see one more,
that was literally beat right there.
They're like, oh, yo, I just put it in half speed. It does kind of like instantly sound like Drake. Like if you put it in half speed.
That's what 40, I think 40 did the half speed. Or no, that was London.
I don't think 40 does that.
London on the track.
Well, I think everybody does it. That's the thing. I've seen that in like 10 different videos. But yeah, so for viewers watching, we pretty much covered like all the new things. You can see a lot here. Like you can see,
it's basically the same.
Like
everything you do is basically the same.
I mean, they made a lot of like little technical details. It seems like, but like from what we noticed, from first impression was pretty much what we covered. Like the first like 4 minutes of the video. Like that was like the most noticeable things. But
yeah,
it's actually good to see that they have this much stuff, because I was like, I thought all they changed was like some like the look of stuff, and I don't really even see. I mean, this was like probably my least favorite thing that they changed. Other than that, I think it's cool. The way they did this is cooler. Yeah.
I mean, you still gotta drag them in, so it's not radically different. It's more like performance,
right?
Improvements, bug fixes, you know, knob tweaks, things like that. So, like a service pack. So. Yeah, half speed the beat for people to listen to it.
Yo, I just half speed that beat, and then it sounded like Drake, so I just kept going with it. Dude, I swear, I want to do like a trolled up like mockery, satire is the word I'm looking for, like a satire like making of the beat, because they be making those beat videos so dramatic. They're like, yo, Chris Breezy hit me up, and I was at my mama's house, and I was like, oh, it's like, oh my god.
You know the perfect beat.
What?
That Stephen Hawking beat.
Bro.
The making of.
Dude,
you know,
do you have the FLP for that?
Huh?
You have the FLP for that?
Yeah, I do.
Oh man, we gotta do that. That'd be hilarious.
There's the making of.
Yeah, we gotta do like a real serious interview where like I'm interviewing him, like, yo, how did you make this beat? Like, and just be in awe, like with literally everything that you say. You'll be like, yo, I changed the volume. I'll be like, oh my god. Like, yo, I put that pattern there. Oh my god. Whoa.
You know, I was just chilling, and you know what I'm saying? I just put that beat on that beat. That shit was hot.
Alright. Sheesh, man.
Yeah, well, that about wraps it up for FO20, so.
That about wraps it up. How about y'all leave a comment in the comment section whether you guys think it's an upgrade or a downgrade. But I think we both give it an upgrade. Am I right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool.
Sheesh.
Alright, y'all.
FO20.
Subscribe and vibe for more. Shout out to ImageLine for another one.
The Emmy.
Shout out to number 13. RIP. Where you at? In fact, 13 through 19.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know about all that. Alright, yo. Peace out.